Ikukweligwe kurunum, ikukweligwe kurunum, ikukweligwe kurunum, ikukweligwe kurunum, 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 my God, kurunum, kurunum. I see a garment, my God, kurunum, kurunum. Make contact now, make contact now, make contact, 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 make contact. Ikukweligwe kurunum, ikukweligwe kurunum, ikukweligwe kurunum, aya, ikukweligwe kurunum. Abi abe dibijaga libijabe ligasianayo, ibi jamba dibibu mabe bibibu dala, isimina libiduga dibiduda la munuda libidudayo bilai, abibu nububu mladigi duazayo, iblimu mambelu manjaga, isinembelo etididayo mabe bebo, abibibu bue, akiba mambelu zanyadela, ebiebu baki gasiene molo, iti ganzailo, ai kitumbeli, amsebu bomole, abibe mombamberwa, ebe bobo bamberwa, esie bombola, ikukwe, ikukwe, ikukwe. Kurunumo, ikukweligwe kurunumo, ikukweligwe kurunum, kurunum, hope you are making contact. Something is about to break out here. Something is about to break out here. For those that wait upon the Lord shall mount up. They shall mount up. Now is the time to mount up. Oh, Kurunumo, Likaiga Kurunumo, Kurunumo. I saw scrolls while I was sitting down. Prophetic ordinances will begin to drop like oil, like electricity, and like fire. Kurunumo, Kurunumo, Yedi Gandia, Eli Gambe, Yiti Gandia, Yelandia Gaya, Yidumbele, Yeti Gila, Yeti Galo, Embi Bunal, Ensalinelo, Injani Gale, Yiti Gumalo, Imbidu Gale, Ensidu Nalo, Embidi Gale, Ininu Nile, Aidi Gila, Inimunu Jada, Embi Gili, Asidi Gale, Anti Alole. will keep playing with you because you're on the ground. When you are up there, he can't touch you from there. Kurunumo. Only the cymbals. Kurunumo. Hey. Kurunumo. Make contact, make contact, make contact, make contact. Tequila tala, rapa pepesia pepuna, yepomba pepepetika tala, ape pompe, siepepepekatikata. I see garments resting on people here. I see garments. Pela te cobra como pida. He's saying como pida. Rapampe, siepapapala tualeke. I've been on the ground for too long. You are the one that will bring solution to your house. So after apostle imparts you, you are the one that will take it to your house. Apostle will not come to your house. You will be the apostle to your house. Yes, yes, some people understand it.
Lift your hands to Jesus. Just soak into the atmosphere. Someone pray in tongues if you can. Soak it in, soak it in. It's the weight of glory. Someone soak it in. I don't want to find someone watching. I don't want to see you looking around. It's time to soak in the glory. Something is about to hit you. I sense an outpouring. I sense an outpouring. I sense an outpouring. My God, someone rejoice. Someone pray in tongues. Someone dive into the river. Dive into the river. Dive into the river. Dive into the river.